Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you tune in for the last episode, we dig into the spatial video functionality of Apple Vision Pro deeply. But today we've got some exciting updates on the Vision Pro as well. It is here. I mean, not literally on my hand, but it's publicly available in the store now, but maybe US only. However, it seems like I am stuck across the ocean admiring from it afar. However, I'm not just waiting. I've been analyzing reviews, user experiences, and unboxing videos like a tech detective on the case. But first thing first, I must say the design looks sleek and high quality, promising a lot of things under the hood, and many reviews have raved about its video path through clarity and natural eye-hand interactions. However, the public use scenario has been captured on social media, well, going a little bit weird, let's say. Seeing people wearing it everywhere, driving and walking in the street can be quite an amusing sight. But my real interests lies in two specific features: the spatial video and the innovative use of personas in FaceTime calls. So remember in last episode how I dig down to the core technology of spatial video and find it's actually just stereo 3D video. Now after watching several other review videos from the internet specifically focused on the spatial video in the Vision Pro now, I have a better understanding of it. It did have something more than just a simple 3D video, turns out. There's something extra. Similar to the panning effect we saw in the WWDC video, but it's not that means it's 6 stuff. Well, it's definitely still a flat stereo video, but we cannot see anything beyond what the camera captured. There is this fake parallax effect added to some feeling of immersion. So you can think of it that way. It is a parallax effect post-processed on by the video player in Vision Pro between the player rectangular video, if you can see the border and the content of the video. You can see in this video I captured online, and many others, including myself at the same time, were actually expecting a parallax between the close-by object of the video and the background itself. That did not happen, since it is in core just a stereo vision 3D video, flat, captured as it is. But user experience-wise, I would say to those who are not 3D or immersive content experts like myself, that fake parallax did add some wow effect and make people who are first-time users think it is spatial-ish. That's good play, Apple, I must say. Now, the other one is the persona and FaceTime in the Vision Pro. When I first saw the demo about FaceTime calls using the Vision Pro on the demo videos, I was excited with this integration and the potential for accurate spatial representation of participants. So from both the demos and hands-on reviews out there, I have seen that we know that if in a FaceTime group call, all those who participated wearing a Vision Pro will be represented by their 3D avatar, now called as persona by Apple. The persona is not a full-body avatar though, but only just a scan and an animated user's head and some shoulder to create a bust-like 3D mesh. Now, myself have been working on a VR research project quite similar to this for about more than 8 months now. What I'm looking at is to create a sitting together in a room feeling for people who make video calls from remote locations, but also without have to use complex technologies such as virtual conference rooms, tracking, full body scanning for animated avatars, etc. The key elements here are two. One is a capture solution that is easier enough and then realistic enough for everyone to use. We know the traditional VR software needs avatar building or some attaching multiple trackers on your head, hands, waist, leg, full body. They are just too complicated for general public to use in day-to-day basis. The other one is to provide the feeling of being together face-to-face in a room, even when everyone is far away, and especially representing this via the correct spatial arrangement. When I look at the FaceTime calls in the Vision Pro from those demo videos at the training, first, the way to represent participants as persona, or say shoulder head bust in front of a half-transparent tile, is smart. It removes the need to track hands or body, but at the same time offer quite realistic avatar looking, which is better than those cartoonish ones or those high fidelity ones, but require external tracking devices at the same time. Now that's one thing. The second, the arrangement of the tiles, as I saw in other reviewers' video, is what is really catching my attention. What I have already learned from others is that during the group call, the positions of other callers' tiles are not static. The local user can just drag them around and place it wherever they want. Now, what really have not been verified or shown in others' video is the question here. Do those tiles rather reflect their actual physical location with your shared virtual space? Imagine a third-person call where participant A, B, and C are positioned left to right in front of you, or just like how four will sit together in a restaurant around the round table. Now, instead of the restaurant around table, it's a FaceTime call, then the four people are joining in as four floating tiles, including yourself. My question is this. Will everyone see the correct arrangement of others around him or her? Would A see others around and then B and C, D, and while B sees C, D, and then A, mirroring their relative positions in the virtual space? This actually leads to another intriguing question that has been pondering around for quite a while. How are those non-verbal cues like head turning or gazing direction has been represented with this persona avatar? We know it is 3D and others can see people's faces when I was looking away and looking over, but how about the orientation of my head turning as well as the eye gazing? For example, if I turn my head away to look at participant A, will B and C at the same time seeing my side of the face and knowing my eye gazing is being posed towards that specific participant? Will they know which tile I am looking around and correctly which tile has been placed in that location of the space? I don't know. I even have been looking at others' videos, have been left in comments in their videos asking them to help to test and verify this, but I got no response yet. Maybe to organize such a group FaceTime call and figure it out may take some extra amount of time, which I don't know. But here is the takeaway for this. We know that while spatial video use a unique take on the 3D content on one side, they call it, we name it a fake parallax, but its potential and usage remain to be seen. And physics-wise, it did present a promising approach for a more realistic, immersive persona and avatar using, but will that become a killer app that sets the Vision Pro apart from other headsets? Only time and people users will tell. So, alright, that's the two questions I throw about for today. And if you are also interested and would like to raise questions like me to the new headset, the Apple Vision Pro, please still turn on, hit your like button, subscribe, and there will be more videos coming up future, and as well as do more exploration into this. But until then, thank you for watching and see you in next one.